Hello students, my name is Ayan. I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Students, there is a very good news for those who are looking for admissions in a low budget private medical college. Yes, Kerala State Counselling, whose registration was already over, they have again reopened their application from today. Last date for application is 19th of June, 6 p.m. So the student who are looking for admissions in private medical college and who are having low budget like 35 to 40 lakhs, within that range they are looking for admission in a private college, they should definitely register in Kerala State Counselling for taking admissions in MBBS. Why this is so important for the students? In this year, if you see the NEET rank, if the student is having below 650, then they don't have any chance in government medical college under All India Counseling if you are coming under the general category. So those students who are not getting government college, but if they have a budget of around 35 lakhs and 40 lakhs, within that range, then they can take admissions in Kerala State Counselling. Ideally, non-domiciled student, the cutoff marks, cutoff rank we are expecting in this year approximately 90,000 to 1 lakh, but you never know, it can sit till 1.2 also, 1.2 lakhs also. So the student whose rank is above 1 lakh, maybe 1.1, 1.2, they can do the registration in Kerala and they can check their rank also. Students who are state domicile candidate of Kerala, if their rank is till 1.5 lakhs, definitely they should do the registrations. If someone is coming under the minority, even whose rank is below that also, they can do the registrations in Kerala. In Kerala, fee structure, as I told you, 7 lakhs to 8 lakhs rupees, and there are many minority colleges are also there. There are some good colleges are there in Kerala like Amla, Jubilee, Malankara, Puspagiri, then MES, many good colleges are there. So if you are looking for admissions in Kerala, please go to the website of KEAM and complete your application process. If you are looking for this kind of video, please subscribe our channel and give your comment to the descriptions. And if you are looking for regular update, please join in our Telegram channel. Thank you.